Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. So berjumpa kita kembali di dalam program Zero to Hero Anjuran Unit Kimia. So pada minggu ini kita akan membincangkan chapter 5 iaitu Hydrocarbon. Okay, so kita go through kepada soalan nombor 1 iaitu question 1. Name the following compounds according to the IUPAC nomenclature. So for the structure in question number 1A, the suggestion name is 2-chloro-2,3-dimethyl butane. Okay, and then for the structure in question number 1B, the suggestion name is 2,3-dimethyl hexene. For the structure in question number 1C, the suggestion name is 1-ethyl 2-iodocyclopentane. For the structure in question number 1D, the suggestion number given is cis-1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclohexane. Cis-1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclohexane. Okay, and then the next in the structure in question number 1E, the suggestion naming given is 5-bromo, 5-methyl, 1-heptane. So untuk alkene compound, priority the lowest numbering is C double bond C, iaitu dia punya functional group lah. Okay, for the structure in question number 1F, the suggestion name given is 3-ethyl 2-methyl 1,4-pentadiene. Okay, so sekiranya pada compound tersebut ada dua C double bond C, so kita akan letakkan prefix di di hadapan. Okay, so for the structure in question number 1G, the suggestion name is trans-6-chloro-2-hexene. And the lastly, suggestion name is 3-ethyl 4-methyl cyclohexene. Okay, so now we go through to question number 2. Monobromination of 2-methylpropene in the presence of light gives A as major product and B as minor product. The reaction equation is given below. So 1-methyl propane react with bromine with the presence of UV will produce two products. A is a major product while B is a minor. So the question to A, draw the structures of the mono-substituted products A and B. What is the meaning by mono-substituted? Mono-substituted mean there are 1Br will substitute hydrogen from alkene compound. Okay, so suggestion answer given is like this. For the structure A, major product, Br will substitute hydrogen that attached to tertiary carbon. Okay, that attached to tertiary carbon. Okay, while for B, minor product, Br will substitute to the hydrogen that attached to the primary carbon. Okay, so tertiary carbon ataupun tertiary free radical is more stable than primary free radical. So that's why A major product like this and then B minor product is like this. Okay. And then B propose the mechanism for the formation of A. So for this reaction, sekiranya ada UV, that mean type of reaction here is free radical substitution. Free radical substitution. Okay, so mechanism involve And mechanism involved under free radical substitution melibatkan 3 step. Yang pertama ialah initiation step. So what is the meaning by initiation step? Permulaan, beginning. So untuk initiate reaction yang berlaku, untuk initiate reaction alkene berlaku, kita perlukan bromin dan juga kehadiran UV. Apa function UV? To provide energy for the homolytic cleavage. Okay, so ini menunjukkan berlakunya homolytic cleavage. That means one electron will transfer to Br and then another one transfer to another Br. Okay, so apa yang akan berlaku? Apa yang akan produce? Br with dot. That means we call it free radical. Okay. And then the next step, propagation step. So for propagation step, penyebaran. So penyebaran free radical. Br dot free radical, Br dot or Br free radical will propagate to another reactant. Okay, so in this case, dia akan propagate kepada alkene compound. Macam mana dia propagate? Okay, so kita kena tunjukkan seperti inilah. Okay, one electron from free radical will combine with one electron, okay, from this bonding, and then another one electron akan move kepada C. That's C. Okay, so what we produce? Free radical alkene plus dengan HBr. Okay, free radical C pluskan dengan HBr. And then this free radical is not satisfied. So dia akan propagate to another reactant of bromine. Okay, so how this C free radical propagate? Seperti inilah. Okay, one electron will combine with DC and then another one will go to other Br. So it will produce, okay, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane and free radical Br. So this process will continue sehinggalah semua reaktan bertindak balas menjadi free radical. Okay, tapi kita tunjukkan 2 step tu sahaja. Okay, and then the third step is chain termination step. So dalam termination, segala free radical kita akan combinekan each other. So the first one, kita combinekan free radical Br with another free radical Br. So it will produce Br2. And then free radical for C combine with free radical Br. So it will form like this product. And the third one, free radical C combined with another free radical C. So it will produce, okay, like this. Okay, so what is the important in the free radical substitution mechanism? The arrow that you show must have head arrow, half head arrow, not fully head arrow. Why half head? Because itu menunjukkan elektron yang transfer hanyalah 1 elektron saja, bukannya 2 elektron. Okay, hanya untuk free radical substitution sahaja. Okay, and then now question number 3. Based on the following reaction scheme below, okay, A, draw the structural formula of compound D to P in the reaction scheme below. Okay, so now we are starting with this compound C. So compound C is alkene compound. Why alkene? Because it contains functional group C double bond C. Okay, so this alkene is unsymmetrical. This alkene is unsymmetrical. Okay, so now kita tengok reaction yang pertama, iaitu this alkene will react with H2O in the presence of H+. That means addition of water. So it will produce product D. So kalau ikutkan what happened to the C double bond C, C double bond C will uh, C double bond C akan jadi single bond lah. Dah tak ada double bond. Kenapa? Sebab type of reaction di bawah alkene adalah melibatkan addition. So bila addition, double bond akan jadi single bond. So apa yang kita tambah di sini, kita akan tambah H dan juga OH. Okey, H dan juga OH. So disebabkan alkene ni adalah unsymmetrical, jadi kita akan identify which one the region is more electropositive, H or OH. So here H is more electropositive compared to OH. Okay, so the region more electropositive, H, will attach to the C double bond C that has a greater number of hydrogen. So in this case, H will attach to the number 2C. Okay, so ini disebabkan apa? Disebabkan alkene unsymmetrical. Jadi kita terpaksa follow rule Markovnikov. So the suggestion structure for compound D like this. Okay, hydrogen, the region more electropositive will attach to DC, and then more region more electronegative will attach to another double bond C. Okay, and then E, the structure of E. So the reaction between C react with Br2 in CH2Cl2. That means in a solvent. So what happened to the C double bond C? Br will attach or Br will added to the C double bond C. So double bond become single bond. In this case, tak ada masalah lah because Br2 in inert solvent, kedua-dua Br akan attach pada C double bond C. So suggestion structure is like this. Okay. And then for F, alkene react with HBr. So we produce structure F. So di sini sama seperti konsep addition of water. Jadi kita akan tengok siapa yang more electropositive. So like this, hydrogen is more electropositive while Br more electronegative. So the region more electropositive H will attach to the C double bond C that has a greater number of hydrogen. So suggestion answer for F is like this. Hydrogen will attach here while Br will attach to another C double bond C. Okay, so double bond become single bond. And then for the structure G, okay, for the structure G, alkene react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel. That means catalyst. Okay, so the product form is hydrogen. Hydrogen will added to the C double bond C. So suggestion structure is like this. Okay, double bond become single bond, and then hydrogen will attach to C double bond C here. Okay. Okay, and then now we look to the product H. Okay, so starting from C alkene compound, react with region HBr with the presence of H2O2 peroxide. Okay, so bila ada kehadiran peroxide, automatic product yang form kita kena follow anti-Markovnikov. Okay, so bila follow anti-Markovnikov, you all need to identify which one is more electropositive. Of course lah H, and then Br is more electronegative. So disebabkan product form mesti follow anti-Markovnikov, that means hydrogen here, region more electropositive, will attach to C double bond C that has a least number of hydrogen. So suggestion structure for H is like this. Okay, hydrogen attached to this C, and then Br attached to this one. Okay, so double bond become single bond. And then for the structure J, addition of Br2 in water to the compound C. So yang akan masuk adalah Br dan juga OH. So region more electropositive is Br, while OH is more electronegative. So this one also follow Markovnikov, because alkene that we use is unsymmetry. So suggestion for J is like this. OH will attach to the C that has a least number of hydrogen. Okay, and then K. Compound K is come from the reaction of C with KMNO4 OH minus and condition cold. So this is we call Bayes test. Bayes test. So bila mention Bayes test, that mean K ni adalah akan masuk dua OH. Okay, ataupun dipanggil diol compound. So dua OH tersebut akan ditambah pada C double bond C. Double bond tak break, hanya ditambah saja. So suggestion for structure K is like this. So that's why we call diol, because there are two hydroxyl group. Okay, so K is diol compound. Okay, and then N plus P. Okay, and then the structure of N plus P. So the structure of N plus P, sorry, L plus M first. Okay, so the structure of L plus M come from reaction of C with KMNO4 H plus, and then heating process. So this is we call oxidation. Oxidation. So what happen bila alkene ataupun C double bond C undergo oxidation? So double bond will break. Double bond akan putus. Okay, so kenapa double bond putus? Sebab dia mengalami oxidation. Jadi dia akan form two products. Okay, so L suggestionnya seperti ini, and then M suggestionnya seperti ini. Okay, so L akan jadi aldehyde, and then M akan jadi ketone, ataupun sebaliknya lah. L and M interchangeable. Awak boleh lukis ketone jadi L, ataupun aldehyde ni jadi L. Either one lah. Okay, and then N plus P. Okay, so N plus P, C undergo reaction with ozone akan produce N plus P. Masih lagi memegang konsep yang sama dengan oxidation, di mana double bond akan break. So dia akan form benda yang samalah seperti L dan juga M. Okay, so N dan juga P interchangeable. Okay, okay. And now, question number 3B, provide the reagents and reaction conditions for R1 and R2. So we need to identify apa nama preparation untuk R1 tu. Okay, so preparation here is come from F, and then it will produce alkene. So F adalah haloalkane. F adalah haloalkane. Jadi apabila haloalkane, the reagent involved is co-ethanol, and then perlu ada heating process. So this is we call dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. That means kita akan eliminate halogen dan hydrogen. Okay, while R2, region R2 is here. Okay, so from D, react with R2 akan menghasilkan C. So D adalah alkohol, Jadi reagent yang diperlukan adalah concentrated H2SO4 and then heating process. So this is we call dehydration of alcohol. That means kita eliminate hydrogen, water lah, dehydration. Kita akan eliminate H2O. Okay. Okay. And then number 3C, suggest a chemical test to distinguish compound C from G. So you all kena tahulah compound C tu apa and then G tu apa. Okay. So kita tengok semula pada soalan. Okay. Compound C kat sini adalah alkene. Okay. Compound C di sini adalah alkene and then okay, compound C di sini adalah alkene and compound G di sini adalah alkene. Okay, so C alkene and then G alkene. So how we need to distinguish compound C from G? Okay, first compound C from G. So C adalah alkene, alkene and then G adalah alkene. Okay, so suggestion di sini kita menggunakan Bayes test. Okay, so apa reagent untuk Bayes test? KMNO4OH- dan conditionnya adalah cool. Okay, and then apa observation yang kita dapat? So you all lukislah compound C and then compound G. Okay, so this is compound C, this is compound G. So apa observation yang sepatutnya kita dapat untuk compound C iaitu alkene? So decolorized purple solution of KMNO4 and brown precipitate is formed. While compound G, purple solution of KMNO4 remain unchanged. So, and then the last one, write down the equation for the reaction occur. Okay, so alkene, compound C, react with reagent KMNO4 OH- under cool. So, dia akan produce diol. Pluskan dengan MnO2. So MnO2 ni adalah brown precipitate. Okay, ataupun you all boleh suggestkan another test iaitu Br2 in CH2Cl2 atau Br2 in aqueous. Aqueous. Okay. Ataupun Br2 solution. Okay. So if you write this test Br2 in CH2Cl2 or Br2 in aqueous, observation pun akan berubah lah. Okay. Kalau Br2 dia akan jadi reddish brown color. Okay. So untuk alkene dia akan decolorize lah. Tapi untuk alkene the reddish brown color remain unchanged. Okay. So itu adalah chemical test yang sesuai untuk bezakan antara compound alkene dan juga alkene. And then the last question, number 3D, write the mechanism for the formation of F. So F, okay, kita tengok for the formation of F. So F is, okay, so this one. F adalah haloalkane. So mechanism involved okay, in this formation of haloalkane, F haloalkane. Haloalkane. So mechanism involved is electrophilic addition. Okay, is electrophilic addition. So ada dua step. Step yang pertama, kita akan protonationkan dahulu macam mana okay, double bond yang kaya elektron dia akan tarik hidrogen daripada HBr. Okay, and then bonding elektron ni akan terus pergi menjadi hak milik BR sahaja. So apa yang akan form di sini? Okey, carbocation. Okey, carbocation. Kenapa ada carbocation? Sebab C ni tak cukup bonding. Ni dah tarik hash, so dah masuk di sini. Okey, so jadi C ni tinggal 3 bond. Sepatutnya C ada 4 tapi dia ada 3. Jadi dia kurang elektron. So that's why kita letak tanda positif di sini. Jadi ini dipanggil sebagai tertiary carbocation. Okey, pluskan dengan Br minus. And then the next step barulah kita akan tarik Br ni supaya carbocation ataupun nucleophilic ataupun nucleophile attack. Okey, so kena ingatlah arrow untuk electrophilic addition adalah fully head arrow, bukan half head arrow. So bila fully head arrow, that mean semua elektron yang ada pada Br dia akan share ataupun dia akan combine dengan another C. Sikit. So apa yang akan form di sini iaitu 3 bromo 3 methyl pentane. Okey, arah arrow mesti datang daripada negatif kepada positif. Okey, so thank you untuk chapter 5 hydrocarbon. Jumpa lagi masa akan datang. Bye. Assalamualaikum.